Hi, in this next video we're going to talk about long vowels and commas. So let's start with long vowels. First of all, we're going to write the correct spelling word for the given number of syllables. So remember, you can figure out a word's syllable by clapping. Okay, syllable. A word has 3 syllables. So let's figure out which one of these words up here only has 1 syllable. So we have the word freedom, freedom, freedom. That's 2 syllables, correct? 1, 2. Reason, reason. Once again, 2 syllables. Devoted, 3. Replied. Nation. 1. Future. Contained. Rights. Nation. Oh, nation. Yeah, nations too. So and rights. Okay. So going through, I see that I broke up the words right up here, so it should be fairly easy for me. So I'm going to take the word rights and move it right here. The words that I broke up into 2 parts are words that have 2 syllables. So those words are going to be written right here. And I see I must have made a mistake on one of these 2. So let me go back and read the words again. Devoted, devoted, contained, 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 contained. So the word contained is actually contained. And devoted. For numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12, we're going to write the spelling word that matches each definition. So responded or acknowledged. So when you respond or you say, hey mom, what are you doing? You are replying. So the word replied is going to go in here. Cause, motive, or explanation. So if you have an explanation for why the plant got broken, what is that? That would be a reason. Liberty is also known as freedom. And a group of people that live under a single government is a nation. Okay? Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the comma side. So for this side, you're going to mostly do this one on your own, but let's go through the differences. Within a sentence, commas are used to set off introductory words or phrases, separate words in a series or a list, or to divide 2 independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction, such as and or but. So you would put the comma right before the word and or the word but. So for example, an interjection would be something like, wow, comma, that was such an exciting game. Okay, so if you see something like that at the beginning of the sentence, then that might be a clue for you to put a comma. I have to buy milk, butter, eggs, and flour. So this is a list. We're going to put a comma behind each word in the list. It started to rain, but Sandy had an umbrella. So there's that word but. So I'm going to put the comma right behind this first word. All right, let's take a look at this first one. Suddenly, there was a knock at the door. So that one actually has an introductory word in front of it, and the word is suddenly. So you're going to put the comma right behind it, and we're going to rewrite the sentence. Okay, and I rewrote the sentence with the comma right there. Okay, all right, so now read the next one. Sarah, Jamal, and Betsy had arrived. So this one is the list. What's the list? The list is the names. So you need to rewrite the sentence and add commas behind each of the names. Betsy wanted to do her homework, but Sarah wanted to watch a movie. So where do I put the comma? Do I put the comma behind the word but or before the word but? I'm going to put it before the word but. Okay, and rewrite that sentence. We took out our homework, our notebooks, and our pencils. Once again, this is a list. So you're going to put the comma in between each item. Okay, we took out our homework, comma, our notebooks, comma, and our pencils. I don't need to put a comma there because there's a period. Don't forget to rewrite the sentence. Just like that, our work was done, and we could watch a movie. Once again, we have that word and there, and that means I need to add a comma right before the word and. Jamal recommended a comedy, and we spent the rest of the afternoon laughing. Same thing, there's that word and. We need to figure out where does that comma go. Pause this video, see if you get them right. Alright, so once again, you should have rewritten all of these, but you are adding a comma here, and a comma there, commas there, comma right there and there, comma right here, and a comma right there. If you did not put your commas in the correct places, please go back and fix your mistakes. That's it. Make sure you turn in this whole packet on Friday. Thanks, guys.